What's up, y'all? So I was hoping to have the next video be us dynoing the S52 and finally getting a number on that because I've been dying to know, but the stars didn't align for that one and we weren't able to get it on the dyno yesterday, and I'm so upset about it, but we'll do it as soon as we get back. I did still have fun though. Check it out. Third it is. Dude, it just floats! Oh my god! This is amazing. What a perfect power, chassis, everything. Perfect car and everything. Thing's unreal. I love it so much. We'll get the number soon, but if you guys caught it in the last couple of videos, I said I was actually going to Saudi Arabia today. Literally the most last minute trip of my life. Loonigan invited me out to go with them to help host a special event there at the Riyadh Auto Show. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's basically like the SEMA of Saudi Arabia, which is, it's unreal. Like, I don't even know what to expect. I can't believe I got invited. It was so last second, and I couldn't say no. I really don't know what to expect. The goal is to have fun and not get arrested. So Saudi Arabia is definitely, I'd say, more conservative of a country than here. So has to be on my best behavior, but we gotta have some fun too. So it's gonna be a wild week, and I'm really excited to take you guys along for the ride, and hopefully I can film some pretty cool stuff because I have no idea what to expect. So, but it's been a long day already, and I still have another like 13-hour flight, which is crazy. So let me survive these flights. I'll get you guys caught up to speed, and then we'll get into something cool. So wish me luck, and I'll see you guys soon. So I have to be careful what I film, so hopefully I don't get in trouble. Well, this is where I'll be for the next 14 hours. At least I got plenty of leg room. Alright guys, I made it off the plane. My luggage didn't get lost. I made it through customs, no issues. I even got, my visa was literally sent to me via email like as I was boarding the plane. It was kind of scary, but we're here, we're good. Now I just gotta find my Uber to get to the hotel, and I have no idea where I'm going. It's already such a crazy experience, but I gotta be very careful with what I film because culture is a little bit more strict here, so I'm already getting stared at for filming myself, so I'm gonna put my camera away. I'll see you guys soon. I had to fight off like 100 taxi drivers. That was bad, but I got to the hotel. We're good. Now we just gotta figure out my room because I guess it's not booked. But we'll figure out. It's kind of a mess. This is like the first year they're throwing this event, and it's massive, and I don't think everyone was ready for it. So I really don't know much of the plans right now. So I'll just keep you guys up to date, and hope it's not too boring and we can experience this trip together. Got my hotel room. Let's check this thing out. Let's see what a Saudi hotel room looks like. Let's check this out. There we go. Oh, here we go. It's an interesting layout. Let's check out the view. Wow, it's a lot of dirt. I think switches work differently in Saudi. my bathroom's broken. So my bathroom lights don't work. That's interesting. Is the toilet any different? It's square, which is kind of weird. Is that a booty washer? Oh! None of the electronics work in here until you put that in there. Have you ever seen that before? But none of the guys are here yet, just the one of the event coordinators. So we're actually gonna go and check out the venue. They're still setting up for the show because it doesn't technically start for another 2 days. Get a sneak peek of everything and see how it's all coming together. So I have no idea what to expect in terms of size or anything. So this will be a really good sneak peek into the whole show, the whole Riyadh Auto Show, as we were talking about before. So let's go check it out.
Blown away by the parking lots.
Yeah,
this is more parking than I've ever seen in my entire life.
This parking lot says my hometown. Alright, let's check this out. So they're still setting up. They have 2 more days. There's a lot going on. Holy crap. I cannot get over the size of this compound. So I guess they're expecting over like 500,000 people to show up to this event or something. Something ridiculous. But this is the little spot we have for the burn yard right here. Okay, it looks bigger out of the car.
Yeah, it looks better.
So this is the spot we're gonna be hosting the Hoonigan show at. Hopefully not destroying too many cars. Yo, it's so crazy. These guys are literally just making like benches, fences, displays out here in the rain. Like, look at this thing. This thing's made out of just straight spray foam. I guess in Saudi, 160 horsepower is a big flex. What is this? Hold this right here. For scale. Let's go check out one of the holes. Wow. So there's a few cars in here now. I think what I'm more curious about than anything is what cars we're gonna expect. In my mind, I was thinking all like G-Wagon and supercars. I think that's a fair assumption.
I think so.
But I don't know. I guess we'll have to wait and find out. Looks like we're gonna have quite a bit of classics, which is definitely not what I expected. So
apparently, it's gonna be like the largest automotive auction in history.
Really?
So they're building is like a ton of like $1 million plus cars that have all been sent over here. Some of them showed the SEMA this year, and they air freighted them. Wow. But yeah, it's like even just what you see here is pretty. It's got a pretty wide range. So.
Oh wow.
Big jump.
Oh, there's a whole ass jump and a what? There's no way someone's driving.
I don't know how you can do it, but
that's
apparently no. Terry Grant and their team is apparently driving a loop.
Do you see how massive that is? There's no way. So we have their show is going down all the way down here, and I think there's even more buildings in the back that's gonna have more booths in it. So, needless to say, this thing's gonna be massive. 2 days, 2 days to get this all together.
I've got the driver.
Excited to see what happens. So this is like the world's biggest parking lot ever, and they basically just converted it into all of this just for this show. And like I keep saying, I'm excited to see where it turns out to be, because they only have 2 days until it actually starts, and it looks like they're like 40% set up. So we'll find out, but should be a great time.
And then there's like the police academy team from Spain that does like comedy driving. And then there's like
So we're back at the hotel. It's been a long day. Definitely just a travel day, so this is more like an update video. I actually wasn't supposed to film at the compound, so I wasn't able to film much, but of course, once the show does start in a day and a half now, it'll be game on, and I'm really, really excited to see this whole experience. I mean, this is the first time they're ever throwing this show, and it's massive. There's a lot of people involved, and just being a part of the first one in an area like this is just it's gonna be amazing. So I'm really excited to bring you guys along for the experience. So on top of that, of course, I'm here with Hoonigan, so we'll be throwing the show. We'll just be doing 2 30-minute shows a day there, and so I'll have a lot of free time to. So after the shows, I'll have a lot of free time to film and get into some cool stuff. So hopefully this week brings us some pretty crazy stuff. But thank you guys for watching today's video, even though it was just a quick kind of update video. But I hope you guys are excited, and hope I stay out of trouble. So I'm gonna catch up on sleep because I'm dying. So we're gonna end it here. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.